Yo guys, how's it going? Hope you're good and welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, as you can see, of this amazing fragrance. This is the Club de Nuit Intense Man, and this is going to be my first unboxing video, so I thought why not start with a fragrance. And this fragrance is an amazing fragrance, and I heard a lot of things about people talking about this is a clone or a dupe of a very famous fragrance out there, which is the Creed Aventus. I mean, that smells amazing, but this is just as good as that fragrance. So in this video we'll see whether this fragrance does live up to that hype. Just to let you know, I have smelled Creed Aventus. I don't have it with me. It's just too expensive, and it's out of my budget at the moment. But in the near future I will try and get my hands on that bottle, and then I can do another video on a side-by-side comparison with this one and the Creed Aventus. Right guys, so I've unboxed this bottle right here, and the first two things I do notice is, number one, it's got this nice jewel effect on it. It looks very nice and quite expensive, but yeah, very nice. There is a significant weight to the cap. It feels very heavy, and yeah, I can also feel the weight on the bottle itself. I mean, this is, you have the 105ml juice inside this bottle, so because of the size of the mil of the juice, they have to make a bigger bowl. But yeah, this has got a weight to it, and I wouldn't say it's an ideal bowl to carry around with you to work or something, because it's gonna add weight to your bags. But yeah, and the other thing I do notice that this bottle loves fingerprints. So I don't know if you can see this on the cap here. So I've just unboxed it and I've seen it's got fingerprints on it, and I think, yeah, that's expected. It is what it is. You're gonna get fingerprints on this regardless how well you look after it. It is just one of those things. But yeah, you're not really into how the bottle is, the shape. It's about the scent, how it smells, and whether it smells nice or not. Right guys, so now we're gonna, after looking at the bottle and the name, the details, small details it has, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray. After I've sprayed this, I'm going to come back for like in half an hour and then test the scent after, how it smells, because I've heard that in the opening it is quite harsh and not a lot of people like that, but in the dry down, so after like half an hour, it smells amazing. So I'm going to see this after how it goes. So let me just spray this on my wrist over here. It's got a very nice spray. I like the sprayer. The spray is very good. I think you should have a good spray on any fragrance. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave it to here, then I'm going to come back in half an hour and just test this and just give you my opinions on how the scent is. But already I can smell, yeah, it's very strong, and I can smell straight away the lemon. So the lemon's there, and I do smell this chemically smell, like what a lot of people are talking about, that it smells like chemicals. To me it smells like a liquid, like a fairy liquid, or like a floor cleaner. It smells very strong, and yeah, a lot of people would like this, but I do get the lemon. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour and a half and 2 hours, and after that I can say the scent's amazing. It smells very nice. There is no harshness as there was before with the smelling like the chemical smell. It is not there anymore. It smells very nice, very masculine, woody, sporty in my opinion. The price point. So guys, in terms of the price point, this fragrance comes about £30. It cost me about around £30, and I'll leave the link in the description for the website where I bought it from. And yeah, these websites, they do a lot of discounts with the fragrances. I'm not saying they are fake, so you got to look at the reviews on them, and you can go like Trustpilot. It gives you like honest reviews of what people think. And I went on to just to check before, because I never bought this fragrance before, and I wanted to know, not just by looking at the YouTube videos, but also by purchases made online by people and the reviews they have left, what they think of the service, of the delivery, and the actual product. And I found it was useful, so I bought it from that website. It was the allbeauty.com. And there was another one which is quite famous, FragranceX. That's also good. I've also bought fragrances in the past from them as well, and yeah, they're all fully authentic. So, but I found this was more. It was a bit like £2 cheaper on allbeauty.com compared to FragranceX. So yeah, so this is £30. You can get a bigger, as I said, there is a 200ml one as well, and that 200 one is the Eau de Parfum. That is about £45 online. It's a bit expensive, but again, it's less than £50. So if you're looking for something that is not as harsh in the opening, I would say go for the 200ml one, which is a £45, and it's pretty much the same thing. But if you think this can become your signature scent, or you're more likely to use it, then I'll probably just go for that one. But for me, I'm a guy who likes changing fragrances every now and then. I don't like keeping one fragrance for myself because I get quite bored quickly. So I was quite disappointed that I couldn't get this 50ml in this, because I wanted the 50 one, but unfortunately there was only 105. Hopefully they do something about it in the future. But honestly, I'm not really complaining. It smells very nice after the dry down, and it's an amazing fragrance. Alright guys, overall, what's my opinion on this? I think it's an amazing fragrance to have, especially if you're someone who likes to be known the moment you are enter the room because how amazing this smells. I think this is a fragrance for you. If you're someone who's shy, who doesn't want to be known, but yeah, it's a fragrance you might want to avoid. Yeah, you probably want to skip on it. But I think this is someone who's confident, who's there to make a statement there, and yeah, it's an amazing fragrance. I mean, after the unboxing, I've taken this fragrance to work, and it just smells amazing. A lot of people have complimented me on it. They've asked where I bought it from, and I've told them you can go online, buy it on this website, and it's only cost about £30. And as usual, a lot of people, how they react to the fragrance in the opening, they also react to the same. They say it's too strong, and for some time, and then when it dries down, they're like, wow, it smells amazing. Like it's very nice, sporty, fresh. Like I think it's one of the best fragrances you can have for a summer fragrance if you're on a budget. It's only for less than £50, and you can get something that smells just as good as something that is £200 or even more. And yeah, definitely gonna be using this a lot in the summer. But yeah, guys, please do not sleep on this, and yeah, consider looking into it. I'll leave a link in the description below for the website I bought it from. But that's all from me, guys, today. And if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. And please subscribe. There's a lot more coming. Turn those notifications on. And as always, guys, have a nice day and peace.